important areas concerning the Twistmaster freezer. This will include such items as proper installation, proper use, and important notes to the operator. To fully understand this information, and for your safety, we strongly urge that you review all the sections in the Taylor Operator's Manual before operating the freezer. Let's go over the importance of proper installation. Safety codes may be different for various locations and therefore change the specifications detailed in this part of the program. To safeguard against the hazard of electrical shock, you must have the freezer installed as described in the operator's manual. Check your freezer's data plate for the needed voltage requirements. The freezer in this program requires two separate 115-volt power supplies. Each of these power supplies must have a separate wall receptacle with a 20-amp rating. A 20-amp male plug can be identified by the prongs, which has one positioned horizontally and one vertically. Your freezer will not operate properly without an adequate voltage supply. A 3-inch, 7.6-centimeter airspace around all four sides of the machine is needed for correct performance of your freezer. Concerning the push-button switch, should a beater motor overload occur, the freezer will automatically shut down. To reset the freezer, place the toggle switch to off. Then, depress the push-button switch. Place the toggle switch to wash and observe the freezer's performance. Return the toggle switch into the auto position. If for any reason power to the freezer is interrupted, it will be necessary to depress the push-button switch when the power is reestablished. Let's review the toggle switch. The center position is off. The left position is wash, which activates the beater motor only. The right position is auto, which activates the beater motor and the refrigeration system. Some thoughts now on the air tube. As this series of freezers are called upon to handle a variety of products, the consistency or thickness of the mix will vary. Should not enough mix enter the freezing cylinder, a freeze-up can occur, causing damage to the beater and other machine parts. With this in mind, you may need to contact your Taylor distributor for necessary adjustment to your air tube. Let's talk about the Taylor Quality Control, or TQC. The purpose of this solid-state control is to sense the viscosity or thickness of the product in the freezing cylinder. With the toggle switches in auto position, the TQC will automatically keep the mix in the freezing cylinder ready for serving. Models 162 and 168 come equipped with this feature, and it is available as an option on the 150-152. Some other optional features to discuss is the mix refrigeration switch, located under the control channel, and is used for different purposes. For the unit to operate in the auto mode, the mix refrigeration switch must be set to auto. The separate hopper refrigeration, or SHR, incorporates a small refrigeration system to chill and maintain the mix in the hopper to under 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4.4 degrees centigrade, and assures bacterial control. To activate the SHR in auto, place the toggle switch to auto and the mix refrigeration switch to auto. To operate the SHR system in the standby mode, place the toggle switch to auto and the mix refrigeration switch to standby. The remaining option is the cylinder temperature retention, or CTR. The purpose of the CTR is to maintain a good quality product during long no-sale periods. To do so, it is necessary to warm the product in the freezing cylinder to approximately 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.7 to 4.4 degrees centigrade, to prevent overbeating and product breakdown. The CTR is used in conjunction with the SHR to ensure the mix in the freezing cylinder is refrigerated during the standby mode of operation. To operate the freezer in standby, using sanitized hands, remove the air tube, turn it over, and replace the end without the port into the mix inlet hole. Do the same procedure for the other hopper. To return to normal operation, leave the toggle switch in auto and place the mix refrigeration switch in auto. Then raise the switch rod. This This will start the refrigeration cycle. When the unit cycles off, the product in the freezing cylinder will be the correct viscosity for serving. Again, with sanitized hands, remove the air tube, turn it over, and insert the end with the port into the mix inlet hole. Repeat for the other hopper. This concludes your Taylor training videotape. We hope that this program has proven beneficial for your needs. Copyright 1987, Taylor Company, Rockton, Illinois.